If you thought you've seen everything on Hot Ones, think again. The internet is buzzing after Tom Holland made show history in the most unexpected way possible. The beloved Spider-Man star officially became the first celebrity ever to throw up during the legendary Spicy Wings challenge, and fans can't stop talking about it. What started as a fun interview quickly turned into one of the wildest moments the series has ever produced. For years, Hot Ones has challenged actors, musicians, athletes, and comedians to answer increasingly difficult questions while eating wings coated in hotter and hotter sauces. Hosted by Sean Evans, the show has earned a reputation for pushing even the toughest celebrities to their limits. We've seen tears, sweating, coughing, and plenty of hilarious reactions. But until now, no one had actually reached the point where they had to leave the table because the heat became too much. Tom Holland walked into the interview with his usual charm and confidence. Smiling from the very first wing, he joked with Sean Evans and seemed genuinely excited to take on the challenge. Fans expected another entertaining episode filled with behind-the-scenes stories from his career and his signature sense of humor. For the first few rounds, that's exactly what happened. As the sauces became more intense, however, things started to change. Tom's face grew noticeably red, his eyes watered continuously, and he struggled to finish his sentences. Even so, he kept laughing through the pain and refused to quit. His determination impressed viewers, who praised him for trying to push through despite clearly feeling the effects of the extreme spice. Then came the moment no one saw coming. After taking another bite of an especially fiery wing, Tom suddenly realized he wasn't going to make it. Excusing himself from the table, he rushed off camera, where he became the first guest in Hot Ones history to throw up during the challenge ***. While the incident was surprising, it was handled with humor and professionalism by both Holland and Sean Evans. Rather than ending the interview altogether, Tom eventually returned to the table, still smiling despite the ordeal. He laughed about what had happened, admitted the sauces were far more powerful than he had expected, and continued answering questions with his trademark good spirit. That willingness to laugh at himself only made fans appreciate him even more. Social media exploded almost immediately after the episode aired. Clips of Tom's reaction spread across X, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, with millions of viewers sharing their own shocked reactions. Many fans joked that even Spider-Man couldn't defeat the infamous Da Bomb hot sauce, while others applauded Holland for sticking with the challenge instead of giving up completely. Some viewers called it the funniest Hot Ones episode ever made, while others praised Tom for being refreshingly honest. Unlike many celebrity interviews that feel carefully controlled, this episode showed a completely unfiltered side of the actor. There was no pretending everything was fine or trying to hide how uncomfortable he felt. His genuine reactions made the interview feel even more authentic. Longtime fans of the series also pointed out just how impressive the record really is. Hundreds of celebrities have appeared on Hot Ones over the years, including action stars, professional athletes, and musicians known for handling spicy food. Despite countless dramatic reactions, none had ever crossed that line before Tom Holland. The moment also highlighted why Hot Ones remains one of the most popular celebrity interview shows online. The format strips away the polished public image celebrities often present. When someone is battling intensely spicy food, it's nearly impossible to stay guarded. That vulnerability often leads to some of the funniest, most memorable conversations on the internet. For Tom Holland, the episode is unlikely to damage his reputation. In fact, it may have strengthened it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.